Once upon a time, there were 5 princes. They were learning archery from the very wise teacher named Dronacharya. One day, Dronacharya wanted to test their focus and skills. He placed a wooden bird high upon the tree. He told his students, "Aim carefully." He first called Prince Yudhishthira. He asked Prince Yudhishthira, "What do you see?" Prince Yudhishthira replied, "I see the tree, leaves and the bird." Dronacharya was disappointed. He next called Prince Bhima. He asked Prince Bhima, "What do you see?" Prince Bhima replied, "I see the tree and branches around." Dronacharya wasn't satisfied. He again called Arjuna. He asked Arjuna, "What do you see?" Arjuna confidently replied, "I only see the bird's eye." Dronacharya smiled and said, "Shoot now." Arjuna's arrow perfectly hit the bird's eye. So children, what is the moral of the story? Moral of the story, when you are focused, you will always succeed in life. So please do like, subscribe and share my channel for more educational videos. Thank you so much.